Hi and welcome back. So in this video, let's see how you can get Intellij IDEA. And Intellij IDEA is the IDE that we are going to use for our Kotlin code. So Intellij IDEA is an IDE that you can use to write Java, Kotlin, and a bunch of other related programming languages. So we're going to be using the community edition. There's also an ultimate edition, but of course we're going to use the community edition. So I'm on Ubuntu, and if you are on Ubuntu as well, you'll just come under your software, Ubuntu software, and you can download Intellij from here. You can just search for Intellij, and then you'll download. You'll click to install the community edition. So here you'll have an option of install, and you can just click to install the community edition. So make sure that you are downloading the one. You're downloading the one from Snappy, from the Snap store. I haven't experienced any problems with the ones from Snap, so that's why I'm telling you to download this one. I downloaded the one from Flatpak, and I had a few issues at some point during the setup process, and that's why I'm telling you to download the one from Snap store. If you're on Windows, you'll just download this and make sure you click on Windows here, and then you'll download the exe version. And just before the next video, make sure you click on download, and I'm going to do a walkthrough on how you can install Intellij on Windows. So you're also going to need JDK on Windows. So make sure you download JDK and you download Intellij IDEA. So I'm going to do a walkthrough of that in the next video. So once you have it installed, you'll find it under your applications. You can search for your applications here. You'll see there you have Intellij. You can just double click on that. If everything is alright and the installation was okay, you can create a new project. You can import, or you can open a project that you already had. So you can see I don't have any projects. I can click on create, and if you need to configure anything, you can just click there, and you'll be able to configure all these other settings on Intellij IDEA. So if you want to create a new project, you can just click there to create a new project. And since we're going to be using Kotlin, let's see how we can create a Kotlin project. So if you want to create a new project for Kotlin, you'll just scroll all the way down, and then you'll click on Kotlin, and then JVM IDEA, and then you go next, and you can give it a name and go next. So we're going to see all this in a couple of videos when we write our first Kotlin code. So in the next video, I'm just going to do a walkthrough of how you can install JDK and also how you can install Intellij on a Windows computer. And I will be using Windows 8.1. So if you're on Windows 10, the process should just be the same. So at this point, I'm just going to click cancel and end the video. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to let me know. And if you get lost or you experience any errors, just go to Google and search for the error, exactly how you're being given an output for the error. Okay, so if you get stuck, feel free to reach me, or you can just look for a solution on Google or YouTube. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video.